Time to beat 14,509. Drivers ready? I'm gonna call your name. Junior. Todd. Dan. Chad. Scott. Lathan. Tony. Jen. And Nate. Jeff Green, you have won a Veteran Fuel bottle. Jeff Green. I got fuel bottles for Chris Morant, Jake Alaherka, and Jeff Green. He's a guest announcer about halfway through this one. We got 1 minute and 5 to go. Lathan on a 13-16. To make the main, that top 8, you got to do better than a 12 at 3:14. So a little bit of room to give here. In, still Lathan out front. 13-15, Tony second. 12-04, Nate. 12-10, Travis Jr. 12-17, Chad. 12-17, Dan. 11-06, Scott. 11-28, Todd. 10-06, and Jen. And 8-26. Left to go. Still Lathan out in front. 13-18, Nate in second. 12-03, Chad. 12-18. So Lathan, the only one on a 13 lap run right now. And then the next 3, second, third, and fourth, all on 12. 5th, 6th, and 7th, 11th, and 8 and 9 on 10 lap run. Left. Your leader, that Silver Techno, going on the back double. Right behind Travis Jr. See leader coming up on you, please move out of the way. Good work, Junior. So we've got 1 minute left. Lathan, now your top 4 on 12 lap runs. Lathan dropped down a little bit. Probably had a couple mistakes here and there. He's on a 12-03. Travis Jr. ends up to second with a 12-18. Chad, 12-21. Nate, 12-16. Dan, 11-16. Todd, also on 11-16. Scott, 10-02. Jen, 10-30. And Tony with the 9-10. The second final heat of Pro 4 up next. 25 seconds left. A lot of fast drivers in the next heat. Ought to be a good race. Leader getting into trouble over that second double. Not like straight away it goes. trying to catch back up. He's going to have one more lap to get back up to that 13-lap run. Race is over. Everyone keep going. Nobody is done. Keep going. Lathan, you're the first one done. Todd, you're done. Junior, you're done. Dan, you're done. Chad, Tony, you're both done. Still waiting on Scott and Nate. And it looks like Nate is not on the track, so that is a race.